What's up guys, my name is Tommaso, and in this video I am going to talk about what actually caused my face to change in such a short period of time when I was mewing. Now I was 19 years old when I started mewing, which is past the age of puberty, and I went from this when I was 19 to this at the age of 20, and it took 8 months. By far, the most important thing that changed my face was chewing this stiff gum containing vitamin D3 and K2. And chewing gum is by far the best way to grow the jaw muscles, which is why you should stay away from those chewing toys, because gum replicates the movement of chewing foods perfectly on one side at a time in the mouth with circular rotary movement, which is the grinding of foods across the molars laterally and downward. This works out the parts of the jaw muscles in exactly the right way and releases the right enzymes for bone remodeling. Chewing toys, on the other hand, does not, because it is an unnatural up and down movement constantly with the chewing device stationary at all times. Now what did stronger and larger jaw muscles exactly do to me from chewing this gum? Firstly, it made my face wider due to larger jaw muscles. Second, it gave me hollow cheeks due to more space and making my cheekbones appear more prominent. Thirdly, the sheer force from my strong jaw muscles forced my mandible and chin to move into a more forward position. And importantly, the force from my jaw muscles becoming stronger forced my tongue to push upwards on my maxilla harder, which moved my maxilla upwards and expanded it, which gave me the following benefits. Higher cheekbones, reducing the appearance of under-eye bags, making my nose less hook-shaped, improving my lips, creating a wider and more robust smile, reducing facial asymmetry, and expanding my nose airway, allowing me to breathe through my nose entirely, as well as help me keep my mouth closed at rest. And this breathing through the nose benefit allows you to get up to 20% more oxygen versus through your mouth, which improves your health significantly, as well as cognitive function, potentially making you live a longer life, according to studies. Some doctors even estimate you can live up to 10 years longer from this. This is because breathing through the nose makes the oxygen become heated, pressurized, and filtered, allowing the lungs to extract the oxygen much more effectively at a higher rate. Whereas, when breathing through the mouth, you don't get these benefits. A study was conducted which found that most mouth breathers were hypoxemic due to lower than normal oxygen levels, which results in unhealthy organs. And having strong jaw muscles helps you automatically keep your mouth closed and breathe through your nose. This gum also contains vitamin D3 and K2, which helps the bone remodeling, and it gets absorbed directly through your mouth tissue into your bloodstream while chewing it, so it's more effective. With vitamin capsules, which you swallow, a lot of the vitamin gets broken down by the stomach acids, so it is not absorbed as efficiently as vitamins from chewing gum. This is why they say that you should be getting your vitamins from foods, because when chewing broccoli, for example, some of the vitamin gets absorbed into your mouth tissue while chewing, and the same goes for gum. This is why getting vitamin from chewing gum is a better option than vitamin capsules. 3 pieces of stronger gum meets the daily requirement for vitamin D3 and K2, and I've been chewing about 3 pieces for about 1 or 2 hours per day, with around 2 rest days each week. But you can make adjustments according to what you feel like you need. Back when we were hunters and gatherers, foods were completely different to how they are nowadays, which forced us to chew on foods hours each day because they were harder and stiffer to break down. And that is why our facial structure was so good back then, which is biologically the way we're meant to be. To find out more about this, you can go to strongergum.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and I will talk to you guys next time.